Hi, this is Thakur Vedant saying I'm the founder and CEO of My Content Cafe, Central India's leading content marketing agency. And I'm making this video to give a huge shout out to AADME and my dearest Alok sir. So I have done advanced diploma in digital marketing from AADME. Things I liked about this course. First, there will be doubt clearing session every week one-on-one with Alok sir, which is a great thing in any course, online course out there. Second thing, there will be 3 live sessions in a week. And the third thing is all the content will be available in the LMS for you lifetime. I guess these reasons are enough to get you sign in into this course. And to end this video, I would really like to thank each one of you who are involved in making AADME better. Thank you, Alok sir, for making this happen.